We'll guide you through how to change default apps on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you can go and change the app that is used for different things and when you do different things. For example, you could go and change the app that is used for messaging or for other things as well. We're going to guide you through this in this video. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this video. So let's go and get started. So what you need to do is you need to go and swipe up. You need to go and find the settings app. So what you need to do is you can go and find it on the app pages here, or you can press search at the top and go and type in settings. I can see it here though, which is easy. Here we are. Then what you need to do is you need to go and scroll down and go and find the option for apps. As you can see, there it is. Then what you need to do is you need to go and tap on it just here like so. Wait for this to go and load. And at the top, we can go and see the option for choose default apps. So we can go and choose which apps to use for making calls, sending messages, going to websites and more. So you can go and see, you can tap on the browser app and we can then see the different apps that are available. So I'd need to go and get another browser. At the moment, I only have Chrome. But let's go and say I go down and find SMS app. I could choose between the Messages app, this is Google Messages, and then the other Messages app, which is more for Samsung. So you can go and tap on it and I could then go and change it. As you can see, it may take a moment to update and that's it. That is how it's done. It's that simple. It may go and reload there and that's how it's done. And you can scroll down and you could go and press opening links as well. So you go and get the idea. That is how it can go and be done. You can go and change them to your liking. If you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again with more how-tos like this in the future.